Hello everyone. This is next in the series of image to diagnosis. This is a 30-year-old woman presenting with upper abdominal pain for 1 month duration. And the image shown is the sagittal scan of the right hypochondrium, and it is passing through the inferior vena cava, and you see mass within the inferior vena cava, and suggesting that it is obstructing because the IVC looks dilated. So within the mass within the IVCs, we'll think of a thrombus in the inferior vena cava, and you can confirm by putting the color Doppler, and you see the flow being absent in the region of the thrombus. Now this is the appearance, and this case is shown to illustrate the importance of basic principles of sonography. And if you would like to see the workup of the case, please log on to sonoshare.in and go to image to diagnosis basics 5. Thank you.